Ray Sipe. We're here at the air show. All kinds of airplanes, helicopters, and not just planes and helicopters. You got food, you got carnival rides, hundreds and hundreds, thousands of people. It's a beautiful
Little reminder
sunny
here
day.
that the Bessie Creek
And just a great time
Coral
at the air show.
Group
And I'll show you a
will
little
be
bit
here at 12:30 with some great music, so get ready for that. Our show, our 2011 Veterans Day Stewart Air Show, will start at 1 o'clock.
As you can see, there's plenty of airplanes, there's plenty of people. Just a gorgeous day.
Has
Great day
anybody
to be
seen the
outside.
Flying Tiger aircraft
All kinds of
artwork? Have you been over to see that? That's in our static display area, presented by the Crown Car Care